Hi guys, in this video we will learn more about the assignment operator. Besides the assignment operator denoted by an equal sign that we discussed in one of our earlier videos, there are a few more assignment operators in C#. Suppose we have a variable x with an initial value of 10, so it will be like int x equal to 10, and if we want to increment x by 2, we write a statement like x equal to x plus 2 and terminate it with semicolon. The program will first evaluate the expression on the right hand side, x plus 2, and then assign the value back to the variable x. So if we just want to print the value of, say, x after this assignment, so the statements would look like this, where we first of all print the value x and then wait on the read key before it closes the console window. So let me quickly run this program. So here is our output, which shows the value of x as 12. Let me quickly close this program. So instead of writing x is equal to x plus 2, we can also write, let me comment this line, x plus equal to 2, and then terminate it with a semicolon. Note that there is no space between plus and equal to sign. This plus equal sign is actually a shorthand that combines the assignment sign with the addition operator. So if I just now run this program again, the output is still 12. It has done the same thing as the previous statement, but this statement is a shorthand version of the previous statement. You can use this notation to combine any arithmetic operator with the assignment operator. So if I just go back to my PowerPoint again, this is the statement using normal operator, and this is the shorthand version of it. So if there is a statement like variable equal to variable plus number, you can simply write it as variable plus equal to number. So that's the shorthand version of the addition operator. Similarly, there is a shorthand version for the minus operation. So if variable minus equal to number, and same is true for multiplication, division, and the remainder operator. Again, note that there is no space between the operator and the equal to sign. So let us put all this into a program and see how these work. So if I create a new project and name it as assignment operator 2, and as usual, let me paste already written code in there so that I can save some typing time. And let me run the program first, and then I will explain each line of code with the output. So here is our output window. So what we have done is we have declared a number of variables x, y, z, p, and q on the same line, and in the next line we have assigned same value to each variable. So this is another way to do multiple assignments in one line if each of the variable contains the same value. And here are our 5 shorthand operators. So in the first one we are trying to add 2 to the value of x, and in the next one we are trying to subtract 2 from the value of y, and in the third one we are trying to multiply the value of z by 2, and in the fourth one we are trying to divide the value of p by 2, and in the last one we are getting the remainder of q when divided by 2. Finally, we are printing these variables on the console. So here is the output. X is 12, obviously 10 plus 2 is 12, and subtracted 2 from y, so it is 8, multiplied z by 2, which will be 20, and 10 divided by 2 should be 5, and 10 percentage 2 the remainder should be 0. Let me quickly go back to my PowerPoint. There is a difference between equal to sign and the double equal sign. We should not confuse the assignment operator, which is denoted by a single equal to sign, with the equality operator, which is denoted by double equal sign. The expression x equal to y assigns the value of y to x and returns the value of y as its result. So when you say x equal to y, so simply the value of y is being stored into the variable x, and that becomes the result of this expression. But when we say x equality operator denoted by double equal sign y, it compares x with y, and if these two values are same, then the expression will evaluate to true. So let us put this knowledge into a program and see how it works. Let me create a new program. We will name it as assignment operator 3. Again, let me copy some pre-written code in there so that we can save some typing time, and let me run this program. Then I will explain each line of code with the output. What we are doing here is we have got a integer variable x whose value is 5, and then we have got integer variable y whose value is 7. And what we are trying to do is we are writing to console this string value, and then the expression x double equal sign, which is the equality operator with y, we have enclosed it in parentheses so that the console.writeLine statement doesn't try to add string to the equality operator. So as you can see, the result of x equality operator y is false because x is not equal to y. So it evaluates to a Boolean expression. And in the next line, what we try to do is, again, it's enclosed in parentheses, and here x, we are using x equal to y. What it is doing is it is assigning the value of y, which is 7, to variable x, and then printing the value of variable x. So this is exactly what is happening. So when we say x equal to y, here it displays 7, which is the value of x this time. In order to confirm that, what I've done is, in the next two statements, I have written the value of x and y on the console. So here x is equal to 7 because it was assigned the value of y, and the value of y remains 7 because it wasn't changed in this program. So it is 7. So this was some more information about the assignment operator. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share and like the video, because that really encourages me to create more. Thank you.